Summer heralds the season of the king of fruits, mango. A fruit which has reigned over the hearts of emperors and commoners alike for over 5,000 years. There is no palate that the king of fruits, mango, cannot satisfy, as it comes in an incredible range of varieties, calling for a celebration of this fruit extraordinaire. Showcasing over hundreds of uncommon as well as commercially popular varieties, the 31st Mango Festival celebrated this most loved fruit in July 2019. The Mango Festival was started with the objective of encouraging farmers and agro and food processing industries to display their products on a large common platform. In the past 3 decades, Delhi Tourism's Mango Festival has grown to become a much-awaited event for thousands of mango lovers. It also helps forge mutual interaction, gives exposure to the domestic mango industry, and attracts opportunities for export and, most importantly, generates interest in the public about this fruit. With a large number of varieties on display at the Mango Festival, this journey of mangoes from the orchards to Delhi Haat Janakpuri has been a refreshing experience for the visitors. From traditional delicacies like the langda, chosa or the kesar to the fancy new hybrids, the festival showcased myriad varieties of mangoes. With a dedicated play area for kids at the main gate of Delhi Haat, Delhi Tourism took care of the smallest details to make this festival a success. Different kinds of mango installations made for a good photo op for many a visitor. The main foyer saw a lot of commotion due to the on and off folk performances from various states of India. This brings us to the clever "100 ke daam kitne bhi khao aam" section, where one had to pay 100 rupees to enter the mango eating booth to be able to eat as many mangoes as one could stomach. This area had been occupied throughout the day with mango lovers. Some stayed there for hours relishing the pulpy and juicy fruit. Other than this, 2 mango mascots roamed around dancing and playing with kids and elders alike, talking about the varieties on exhibit at the Delhi Haat Exhibition Hall. Mango growers from across the country including Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and UP gathered here to display the traditional and hybrid varieties of mangoes. These growers of mangoes have attained expertise over generations, excelling in research and propagation of this fruit. 3 kgs, 3 minutes. Ladies lived up to the challenge. 30 women participated in the mango eating competition. The best element of this festival, year after year, remains the mango eating competition, where the first one to consume 3 kilos of mangoes under 3 minutes is declared the winner. The festival saw 30 women participants in the enthralling mango eating competition. It drew large participation from women folk present at the festival and infused the crowd with an edge of your seat excitement. Mango is one of the oldest fruits known to India, which is known as the mango capital of the world, as it tops the list of mango-producing countries. India alone grows almost 1,500 varieties of mangoes out of close to 2,000 varieties grown the world over. Rich in antioxidants, the mango is loaded with vitamins and has amazing health benefits. As famous poet Ghalib said, "आमों में बस 2 खूबियां होनी चाहिए, एक मीठे हों और बहुत सारे हों."